I like to go to coffee shops, and work there. I like to do it. And I will go in a time when they're open, yeah, in the early times, you know. So I'm at the coffee shop, it is 5:45 a.m., it is open at 6 a.m. And the man who is inside, he's clean, he see to me, but he's cleaning. Of course, they do not let in me, so annoyed, but whatever. Boom, 6 a.m., door open, I come inside. He's like, oh man, wow, the early bird gets the worm, huh? What? The early bird gets a worm? No, strange coffee man, I don't know if the early bird gets a worm. We do not know lifestyle habits of all the worms. Perhaps the worms are sleeper laters. Lady sleepies, lady sleepers, late. Perhaps they do not wake early, the birds, the worms. What if the worms have had long night of hardcore parties and poker and you know, doing worm party things, and they wake up 10 a.m., 12 noonsies. The early bird is fly around. Where are the worms? Where are the worms? I'm looking. Fly, flap. Where are the worms? Yeah. Well, the worms had party. It was Cinco de Mayo. Yeah. And now it's 6 de Mayo, and where the worms are sleeping, they had hard night. Sorry, early bird. So early bird fly around. Oh, screw it. I see no worms. I shall just go to vent machine and have a Snickers. But then, tardy bird, he waking up, I don't know, 11:30, because he like to sleepy the beauty. He like to receive beauty birdie sleep. He fly around. Now the worms is awake. Oh, lunchtime for tardy bird. Sorry, early bird. You've received no thanks. Well, you ate the Snickers. I know this makes satisfy of hunger, but serious, it's sugar, nuts, and nougat. It's no protein. Early bird get the worm, no. You know who get the worm? The bird who matched the sleep patterns of the worms. So it's not that. Not early bird gets the worm, it's the bird who matched the sleep patterns of the worms get the worms. Are you pay attention, birds? I just give to you a life hack. Stop it.